Hey everyone, it's Chef Dan from WD College. We're going to be making pizza out of our Turbochef FIRE. We're going to be using a fresh, pre-sheeted dough. Recommended to use fresh dough in this oven. It's meant to replicate that of sort of an artisanal Neapolitan type pizza. So you get nice charred edges on the outside. It should take no more than 90 seconds. We're going to be making a special pepperoni pizza today, one of my favorites. Let's get rocking and rolling. All right, let's get assembling. So pre-sheeted dough on our screen. Homemade pizza sauce. Swirly, swirly, swirly. Leave a little bit for the crust. Mind you, because we're cooking at such a high temperature today, the crust isn't going to rise a lot. So it's going to be very quick cook. Nice charred edges. Lots of caramelization. Mozzarella. Now I got some pepperoni. I like to make sure there's pepperoni on every single bite. I always feel cheated when I'm eating a pepperoni pizza and there's no pepperoni on my bite. Maybe I'm just strange, but that's how I feel. All right, we've almost got enough pepperoni on there. Almost. Well, for me, jalapenos. I hollow the seeds out of these just so they're not too spicy, but we'll still have a little bit of heat on them. And then we're gonna finish it with honey and some other ingredients to really make this pop. All right, here we go. We got our pepperoni pizza, all dressed up, ready to be cooked. "90 seconds. All right, it's looking pretty good to me. There we go. Shh. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna let this rest for a couple minutes because that is entirely too hot for me to eat. So here we go, beautifully cooked, nice charred edges, which is the characteristics of cooking within the Turbochef FIRE. We've got a really crispy crust. Woo. Real crispy. All right, this is rested enough. I'm getting a little impatient. We're gonna dress this up. A little Parmesan cheese, some honey, a little bit of sweetness to go with the spice, the jalapenos, as well as the pepperoni. Last but not least, a little fresh arugula just for some freshness, some greenery. There we go. Now let's cut it. Let's taste it. Whew. That's gonna be spicy. That's what I'm talking about. It's official. I've definitely burnt my mouth this time. That's very hot. So, Turbochef FIRE. 90 seconds. Pre-sheeted dough. Pepperoni pizza. For more information, please check us out at blog.wdcollege.com, or alternatively go to our website at wdcollege.com, where you'll find all of our culinary team's information, our sales reps information, all of the lines what we represent, all of our toys. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or you need any help. We're happy to be there for you. Thank you. Take care.